size as the same size as the size of the crystal. Okay. And then you're gonna just place them. Pick the big one first and place this right in there. And then the second one. Right in there. So if you have one of the flash key lights, you can flash key really quick and easy. So I'm gonna get really quick. Gonna get the tray. Just getting really quick. One of a crystal right there. Awesome. I pour it in here so then easy for me to find one of the crystals. I'm gonna get one right here, tuck right in. And then you're gonna make sure they're close tight together. And then now flash key, okay? So it's look like they are like a triangle. And then flash key first. For like 10 seconds. You just secure it first, and then we are going to do a lot of designs with it. Super cute. And I can also do this designs along with the nails as well. But I'm gonna using some of this frame. Great. So going back with our condensed glue gels, and pick up smaller amounts now because you are going to do a flat back crystals, and you are going to apply all full nails. Give me 1 second. I might do some crystal here, so make sure you get some condensed glue gel there. Not too thin and not too thick. All right. So don't forget to floating on the top of no white top coat. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in, and happy Wednesday. Hope you all have a fabulous Wednesday, productive Wednesday, and happy Wednesday. Floating on the top, so keep in mind if you are doing a matte top coat and matte finish, just apply the matte no wipe top coat on. All right. So now we can able to place the crystals on. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm gonna do S shape. I feel like I'm gonna tell Brazils I am going to do the S shape right there. She can tell. Let's go perfect in that. And place it right there. and tuck this one right in there. So I usually place the centerpiece in this beautiful designs. My centerpiece is 3 big super gorgeous crystal, and then I placing other crystal really close and tight along with that. All right, super cute. And here's my super cute baby mix jars. I'm loving this one as well. It's cute, so many fun designs, and tucks a couple in. You can dress them however you would like. Using a couple. I'm going to using a couple of SS colors from the super gorgeous glow in the dark kits. And then now you can add some beads on it if you prefer. I'll get some of my beads out here. You can leave it alone and just be done. So now it's so gorgeous. So now if you have a client who just don't want anything else, top coat here using a no wipe top coat gels and cure for 60 seconds, you're good to go. It's the clients who want, this is for the clients who want 2 nails once in a whole set. They want is just ombre, right? And then this is for the clients who want 2 ring fingers with super gorgeous crystal placements. Or if the clients want is 40 gels, like a 3D design, you can definitely fulfill the clients. All right, if you're happy with this, definitely cure for 60 seconds.